Welcome to my free Masterclass 101 tutorial in 5 minutes. Without losing explanation, please do not forget to subscribe this channel. Let's start out with the Davinci interface introduction. Davinci Resolve is one of the most powerful programs, especially to the color grading, although it has so many tools just like other softwares. You may have an audio productions, 3D animation in there as an After Effects, but for us, we must trade up only for color grading options. So the first tab you can see when you open up Davinci Resolve is Open Up panel, which is allow you to import your product or open up your new product or reopen your previous project. You may even arrange your project into folders. Let's start up with the importing clip and editing. There's two options of importing clip. Go into the media panel, right click and choose import, or click Control I, then you go choose your clips, then boom. About editing, it's the same as Premiere Pro. Cuts, deleting, but make sure you press backspace instead of a deleting button. Squeezing is the same as in Premiere Pro. And if you want to control timing faster or slow, right click and check out this option. More control is on inspector. You may zoom and automate whatever you want. I don't want to go so further here. There is another way of importing XML projects through timeline. This is one of my workflow. I used to edit in Premiere Pro, make some cuts and import my project to Davinci Resolve. Then I just grade. So after importation, we run it straight to the grade option, which is a panel. Click right here. What we have here is a node panel. Grading tools, analysis, layouts, gallery, which is we just make our still pictures. And this option is where you see third party. You just drag and drop into your notes. Notes is just like adjustment layer or a Premiere Pro. Though it has so many things in it. Without losing anything, in Davinci Resolve, you might custom your setting. Click this setting icon and then you go to your settings. Right in the settings, you can just custom anything that you want. Just like resolution, you can change your format. As you can see, it's a 1080. You can change into a 4K or any resolution you want. If you can choose your color space timeline tag right there, if you are just SS or you choose a gamma 2.4, you can just click right there and check out on your whatever you want it to be. Another way is just reducing your resolution. If you see it is scratching, you may just go to the playback and change the resolution of a playback. This doesn't mean that your video is out of quality after exportation. Now it's just for your playback preview your color or your videos. So this is the magic of a Davinci Resolve. I hope I never forgot anything important. So after you finish to grade your video, what next is just we go into the exportation panel, which is delivering panel. Right here in delivery panel, you could choose any format that you want. Click rendering, rename your project and starting rendering. Everything so far that come up as long as you keep on learning and practice. You can't get everything in one day. So thanks very much for watching this video. If I forgot anything, just comment down below. I will explain it on my WhatsApp. Just contact me or I'll come up with the new versions of Davinci Resolve interface. Thanks very much. Do not forget to subscribe this channel.